Alright guys, here we go. We're doing the Mad Mixer here. It's one full size from Leaf, one mini helmet from Hit Parade, and one football from Gold Rush. So we're going to start off with the mini helmet.
Alright, here we go. Mini helmet.
Cowboy.
It is for the Cowboys.
What is that?
Oh, this is Randall Cobb.
Randall Cobb for the Cowboys?
Yeah.
Yeah, they played the Cowboys. Alright.
Didn't know either. And you can tell there's a Beckett authentication in there.
Alright, going out to Gigi. And if there's double, like this could, we could easily hit a double team here. Or if there's any double teams, we'll add another hit list.
Alright. Next up, we got football.
Come on, let's get a big football. The Panthers?
Yep.
Who's that?
Christian McCaffrey.
Oh, sweet. Man, that guy, he's cool, man.
Yeah.
He is good. Going out to the Panthers. Is it not in order? Oh, yeah, it's not in order.
Not too bad.
Yeah, sweet one. Panthers, Eric Becker.
And he comes with Beckett also. Does he not focus?
Yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't know that he went to the Cowboys, actually.
With the Panthers.
Eric Becker.
Eric Becker.
Nice one, Eric. Man, he's good. He's hard to stop. You can't stop that guy, man.
Yeah, he had a good game against the Texans. He could not stop the guy. Alright. Ooh, man, it's been a while since I've done these.
This is the Leafs.
Leaf, yes sir.
Alright, go look.
It's been a long time.
We'll line another one of these, but we'll line the full size separate from this. We'll line the full size first, and then we'll line another one of these too right after that.
Alright, here we go. No worm. Here we go.
The Steelers.
This is for the Steelers.
Ed Murray.
Go ahead and take this out.
MVP? Yeah, he could be.
Jack Ham.
Alright, so we got a Randall Cobb, McCaffrey, and a Jack Ham. Let me add another hit list to that. This way a little better. We'll still do 4 hit lists. McCaffrey was pretty good, but... Alright, let's do we'll do 4 hit lists, we'll get $10 back. Eric Becker, I don't know if he's here or not. Maybe.
Alright, Jack Ham. Comes with Beckett.
So the Steelers pick. The Panthers. That's nice. And the Cowboys. Steelers.
Ed Murray.
Ed Murray, yeah. Alright, so here we go. Top 4, $10 back. 5 times. 1, 2, wait. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Let's say 5. Yeah, 5. Here we go. One more time. 5. Top 4. Twisted, Staying, Troy Boy, and Charles Grawl with $10 back. Alright, thank you guys.